Well, good morning. Welcome to Classroom to Keynote AI Masterclass. My name is Jordan B. Smith Jr., and I personally want to thank you for being here. Whether you are a teacher, a future teacher, parent, grandparent, counselor, coach, veteran, or someone who knows they have more value to offer the world, you are in the right place. Because the truth is this: too many talented people spend years building wisdom, skills, and life experience, but never learn how to turn that value into income, opportunity, and impact. And I truly understand that because that's exactly where I was. It was very frustrating, but I need to let you know that changes today. Now, I built this course because I still believe in the United States of America. And part of that belief is the idea that people should have the opportunity to build something of their own, to create, to serve, to innovate, to earn, to pass something on to the next generation. This is the entrepreneurial spirit. This course was created not just for educators, but for future teachers, parents, grandparents, and everyday people who want to use their experience in a smarter way. A little bit about my story. I spent years serving others. I spent years in the military. I served in education. I served communities through leadership, speaking, and mentoring. But like many people, I discovered something important. Experience alone does not create opportunity. Systems do. Visibility does, and action does. I had knowledge. I had stories. I had real world results. What I needed was the right modern blueprint. And that led me to learning AI, speaking platforms, automation systems, digital tools that can help ordinary people create extraordinary opportunities. Now, inside this masterclass, I'm going to show you how to turn what you already know into real assets. You'll learn how to use AI to create books, offers, presentations, and products. You'll position yourself for speaking opportunities. You'll build authority online. You'll create digital income streams. You'll be able to generate leads automatically and use systems to run a business from home, to build multiple streams of income from your experience. Now, right below this training, you'll see 2 free trial links to platforms I personally believe can accelerate your progress: Speaker Hub and Gohighlevel. These are 2 low-cost solutions that make it possible to start a home business without going into massive debt and without needing to hire employees just to begin. Used correctly, you can realistically have multiple income streams in motion within 24 hours. And that matters because too many people waste years in confusion and thousands of dollars during the learning phase. My commitment to you is that during this beta launch phase, my goal is simple: help you avoid expensive mistakes. I do not want you repeating the common traps people fall into: buying random courses, chasing shiny objects, or wasting money trying to figure it all out alone. I am here to support you. My calendar link is also below. If you like guidance, strategy, or to discuss whether this path is right for you. I need your feedback. So I welcome your comments. I welcome your feedback. I welcome your suggestions, because we are building something bigger than a course. We're building a movement. Your input will help us improve, grow, and serve more people. On a personal note, I also recently released my latest book, and that project became one of the biggest motivations for finally completing and launching this masterclass. Because books, ideas, systems, and service can become legacy. And I want that for you too. So I'd like to thank you for being here, and thank you for believing in yourself enough to start. Welcome to Classroom to Keynote AI Masterclass. Let's build something meaningful together. Let's begin. This is Dr. Smith.